In this tutorial, we're going to look at another important analysis, which is the multiple choice analysis. So if we click on this option here, and if we change the data set to physics, and what we have here is each of the questions that are multiple choice. So this is question 1. It shows us the state performance on the 3 options of multiple choice. So A, B, C, and D. Down the bottom here, whatever answer is highlighted in green identifies the correct answer. So if we're looking from a school point of view on the yellow, we can see that no students in the school cohort selected D as an option. We can see that 75% of students selected C. We can see that a number of students in the school selected A and a few selected B. But the important thing that we're able to see here is we're able to see the questions that the students were able to get correct in the multiple choice, but we can also see the distractors and really start to analyse why certain students would have selected a certain distractor. At the moment, we can see that physics is in alignment with how the state has performed in answering certain questions. And this is a really good one to see that A here, we can see that the cohort of students were distracted by that one, and considering D was the correct answer. So that might be something that we'd investigate, and why such a large number of students selected that question. We can see here that the correct answer was B, but students within the cohort all chose each of the different options of the multiple choice. So the multiple choice analysis really gives us a good snapshot of the answers that the students provided and the incorrect answers that students were distracted with, which once again can help us change the way in which we teach and focus on certain concepts.